guys, Weber Cooks here. Today we're going to be making some rice. All you're going to need for this rice is some rice, what I bought at Walmart, some water, which I'm going to dump in this bowl. Oh no, I spilled some. You're going to want to stir that around a little bit. And then we're going to microwave that for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm going to get the rice out of the microwave now. Whoa guys, that's very hot. Okay, so now we're going to strain it, which I'm going to do very carefully. Right now we're going to strain it. And there you have it, guys. Nice rice.